Oppo is gearing up to drop the Find N5, and it's shaping up to be the world's thinnest foldable phone. But here's the twist. This sleek device is expected to launch in some markets as the OnePlus Open 2. Excited? You should be. Oppo has been teasing some serious durability claims, and the latest teaser shows off what they call a titanium alloy sky hinge. Fancy name aside, this hinge is supposed to be industry-leading in durability, weight, and reliability, so you can fold and unfold this bad boy 100+ times a day for 10 years without issues. Bold claim, right? One of the biggest pain points of foldables is that annoying crease in the middle. Oppo says not this time. The OnePlus Open 2 will come with an imperceptible crease certification. Basically, the fold line should be barely noticeable, giving you a seamless viewing experience. Oppo is also making history by bringing IPX6, IPX8, and IPX9 waterproof ratings to a foldable phone for the first time ever. That means the OnePlus Open 2 can survive water immersion, hot water, and even water sprays without breaking a sweat. Meanwhile, fresh hands-on leaks show off the new Hasselblad camera setup and a large cover display. From the looks of it, the Open 2 has design cues similar to the OnePlus Open and even the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro Fold. With all these features, the OnePlus Open 2 is shaping up to be a serious contender against foldable heavyweights like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Honor Magic V3. Pricing is still a mystery, but the global launch is locked in for February 20, not long to go. So, what do you think? Does the OnePlus Open 2 look like your next foldable upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's chat. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.